Welcome back to another episode of Summit Outdoors. Something different today. We're going to get the brush hog on the tractor, get up back and do some brush hogging. First we got to drive up top here, and got the chainsaws loaded up in the back there. I got to get some trees trimmed because I can't get underneath quite a few of these trees with the tractor and the cab, so we need to brush hog, get her all mowed down good for hunting season. The boys and I, aka the dogs, gonna head up back. Yeah, the grass is so deep up here, dogs can't even go through it. As far as they can go, and then now we can 15 feet out into our trail. That's looking better. Get the tractor up through there, nice and tight to the trees. Holy moly, is it hot. The dogs are thirsty. I'm sweating bullets. Didn't really get all the cutting I wanted to get done, but I didn't expect it to be this hot and humid today. We got a lot of rain over the last few days, and now the sun's come up, so out. So we are 100% humidity must be. I haven't looked it up, but we're headed back down to the house. We're gonna get the brush hog on though and hop in the kubota, hop in the cab, put the AC on, enjoy the rest of the day. We'll see you soon. Alright, we got the brush hog hooked up to the back of the tractor here. Just spent some time and touched up the blades a little bit also. This is a Land Pride. It's actually a 7-foot brush hog. So the good thing about this brush hog, it's got 2 cutters on it, allowing us to get a 7-foot cut. Now normally with a 38 horsepower tractor you could never put a 7-foot brush hog behind it. But because of the setup, the reason why you can do it is because of these 2 gearboxes. They're split. So you've got 2 smaller blades cutting instead of one ginormous round one. Normally you'd need I'm thinking 50 horsepower, 60 horsepower to run a 7-foot brush hog. But this is a Land Pride. It's the RCD 1884 is the model number on it. And that's how you get a 7-foot brush hog on an under 40 horsepower tractor. Otherwise we wouldn't be able to do it. It's been a good brush hog. We've had it for a long time. Cut a lot of stuff with it. We did blow out the gearbox in it last year. It hit something really bad, sheared off the pin, just annihilated that gearbox. That stuff happens, so that's the only thing we've had to do to this brush hog, but that was enough because you know a gearbox is not a couple bucks. We're gonna get up on the hill and see what we can do. Heading down through the area that we trimmed earlier today. Seemed to be clearing the trees pretty good. Boy, this hay is deep up here. Beautiful stuff. Crazy deep, almost to my chin. Well, we're gonna wrap it up for the day. Got quite a bit of brush hogging done up here. It's nice to get up back and relax and get away from the heat. Stay in the air-conditioned cab. Kind of cheating, but yeah, it's looking good up here. Rain's in the forecast for the next 4 or 5 days, I guess. So we'll be dancing around the raindrops, trying to get work done. But it was pretty awesome to get out and get up here in our favorite hunting spot. Our big tree stand, 12-foot high mansion up there is right behind us. Got a nice lane cut right down through here. Like to keep this open, keep the grass growing. It's kind of like a poor man's food plot, I guess. You just mow it. That's all you got to do. Really love this tractor. The cab especially. I would never go back to an open cab. Everybody was skeptical. We know when I was asking questions about a cab tractor versus open cab, everybody says, oh, you don't want that. I would never go back. Not living in the Northeast like we do. We've got just so many months of inclement weather. It's cold and rainy and sleet and hail and whatever. And then now it's the summer and you're fighting the bugs and the heat. This morning it was the humidity. Wow, we came up here with running the chainsaw for a couple hours and we were sweating bullets. I was soaking wet in sweat. It's nice to get in the cab tractor, turn on the AC and get some brush hogging done. So yeah, turned out to be a great day. I think it's about time to head down to the house and see what's cooking. Hey, thanks for tuning in to Summit Outdoors. Appreciate you watching.